Hello sir, mochi buns. Na-try niyo na ba siya sir? Would you like to touch it? Para may idea ka muna sa texture niya. Malambot siya eh. Maybe you have seen it on social media po. Yan, sa Instagram, TikTok. Isa lang po, matcha. Anything else? Okay. Pwede po Gcash dito lang po. Scan nyo lang dito. 130 lang po. Hi ma'am, mochi buns. Hi ma'am, mochi buns po. BPI po yan ah. BPI to BPI. Okay, sige po. Thank you po. Salamat. Hi ma'am, mochi buns po.
Huwag tayong biglang
Hi po, mochi buns. Water. Cold or not cold?
cold.
How many, sir? Okay. 25 only, sir. Cold water. Cold. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns. Sir, thank you. Thank you, sir. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns.